Hello, and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Garden. This is the last week of July, and I want to show you something. Something wonderful has opened up in the garden. The lilies, the Casablanca lilies, are open, and so we're going to talk about them. I'm going to look at them and enjoy them in the garden. And I could even smell the fragrance of the lilies already permeating and perfuming the garden. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, so I'm just so grateful. The garden is looking green and lush because it just finished raining. And so let's take a tour of the garden, a full tour, and see what is opening up, what has bloomed. Oh, also I have my gladiolus. The gladiolus have opened up as well, and they're looking really good. I was kind of concerned about them. I thought that they would possibly fall over, but it hasn't rained that hard, and so my glads are still smiling. Yes, hallelujah. And I'm very happy about that too. And then of course the fruits of my labor, the squash plants. I harvested my first squash plant on this beautiful Saturday morning. I've been looking at the butter squash, and look what I found. Isn't that adorable? By the way, check out these zinnias. It's about to make a bouquet. See that? But anyway, I'm gonna be. So here it is. And what I'm going to do is, there's another one beside it. I'm going to harvest it today. So this is my first butternut squash for the season. Isn't that great? I showed it to Errol, and he said, I don't know. But now, so you want to cut it. He said, go ahead and get it. I said, okay. So it's better for him to put it in his gut. Look at that. There is already a harvest. Check that out. It's a good size too. It's a little green, but we're gonna enjoy it. It was tasty. It was tasty. Yes, the butternut squash. We harvested the butternut squash, and it was delicious. So let's take a Sunday afternoon tour. I had to reshape this bed because the rose bush here was developing black spot. So I had to cut it back, trim it back, and that just opened up the space here. And then this right here, the begonia, tuberous begonia, was in a different part of the garden, and it looked like it was dying and needed to be in a much more prominent space. So I moved it up front here so that it could get more sun and that I can see it, because it's really beautiful. And then I transplanted also right here the sun patience, and they seemed extremely happy, along with the tuberous begonias and the impatience, the regular impatience. And then I moved, also transplanted the Swiss chard, and they seem to be standing up a little bit more happy there. And then I planted right here the zinnia seeds. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily keep them there, but for right now, I want to see them grow up, and then if I need to transplant them into other parts of the garden, then I can do so. But I think this just came out really, really nice. And then to have the hydrangea as the background, it's just so beautiful. The pink and blue, the light colors. And then here we have the purple perilla in with the green. Just so nice. Look at the colors. I like this color arrangement right here with the peach colored begonias and the purple perilla. And then when you look up and you see this beautiful Casablanca lilies. Just opening up, just really nice. I love it. The garden is looking its best. I really like that. And then here we have, I thought that was pumpkin squash plant, but actually it's a zucchini plant. And I saw the zucchini here. That's why I know it's a zucchini plant growing. Look at this. Found a happy location. Yes, it's growing really, really well. Isn't that something? And these bean plants are growing so tall. I don't think I see a flower yet. They don't appear to be flowering just yet, but they're looking great. In such a short time, everything is growing so large, tall, and developing. And look at the impatiens. They're starting to touch one another. Blend in. It's really, really good. I'm so pleased with this bed. Well, my gladiolus are still standing, and more of them have opened up. I took this picture of the gladiolus in the morning before it started to rain. It's really, really beautiful. I'm glad to see that. But we're expecting more rain, and I might end up having to come and stake them so that they can stand erect. They look really pretty with the yellow daylilies here in the garden. The glads are called Isabella, and I bought them at Costco. This is my angel trumpet tree, and it is about to flower. I have just been watching it carefully, and you can see that the flower bud is opened, and I believe by the end of the week I should have a beautiful bloom to show you. I just love the angel trumpet tree. There's that first bloom to come. Over in this side of the garden, I planted the squash plant down here, and look, I have some squash blossoms. Aren't they pretty? I just love the shape and design of the squash blossom. And they're here in amongst the tomatoes. It's going to be really pretty. This design, what I'm thinking of is the marigolds will fill up, become really pretty here. And then I'll have squash blossoms and red tomatoes. Oh, I also planted this cucumber. Look at that. Ooh. With the tomatoes. You see that? Sharing the same space. I think it's going to make a beautiful design. Yes, I love how my marigolds are filling in. They look so pretty here with the tomatoes. Isn't that beautiful? These tomatoes are getting so heavy. Look at that. I just hope it doesn't pull over the cage. But look at them. They look so healthy and beautiful. Just growing so tall. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at this. That's my cucumber. And then of course the mince. The carrots. I am amazed at the garden, how each day is so exciting. There's always something new to observe. Now this is a different type of lily. I don't remember the name of it. It's not Casablanca, but it opens up in August. I know when August is here because this opens up so bright, so beautiful. This is opening up so nice here. Look at that. Hopefully we'll get some flowers. Just the back. The hydrangeas are holding up. I'm hoping to propagate some more of the hydrangea plants and then planting them against this wall. The back garden. Look at those squash, butternut squash, pumpkins. They're just sprawling all over the grass here. Now I planted some cucumber seeds here. Shall see if they come up. And then inside the bed here, I planted some zinnia seeds just to add some color to this garden. I know, with the red from the tomatoes, that will also add some color as well. This is my first time really planting pumpkin, and it's so exciting to see the pumpkin starting to form. I'm just really impressed with this side garden. It's doing so well. I just wanted to show you the glads in the front. Look at that. And the stargazer lily is opened up too. And this is the lilac. It's getting the second wind. Some blossoms. And here, look at this. The roses. And I think this is loosestrife, but it's so pretty. Look at how this is just trailing up. The squash plant. I don't know where it thinks it's going. It is so pretty. And this is what I love. The yellow from the daylily, the purpley, lavender, pinky color from the cleome. Then you have the zinnias with the yellow middle, which pulls it all together, and the pink, the hot kind of colors. And then we have the monarda. See the bee? Bees just love it up here. I think I found the magic spot to plant my peppers. I have been harvesting so many peppers. Look at that. I planted the peppers here. Look. I've been getting so many peppers here. It's given me such a great harvest. Sometimes it's difficult to get a harvest from the peppers, but they are now just doing such a great job. Look at that. I have some more coming here. There's any more under here. That. Wow. They're like gifts. There's something about hydrangeas, especially this hydrangea, that I simply adore. This is just so beautiful. I just love the hydrangea coming through the picket fence. And that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to take my picture with the hydrangeas. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. And I'm going to continue to give you updates on the garden. Now, aren't these blooms just beautiful? I just think I look so cute with the hydrangea blossoms here. And that's it for Lady Wisdom Speaks Garden for now, anyway. See you next time. Bye. I think that we look good together. What do you think? I think I look good with the hydrangeas. Well, have a great day. Please remember to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Garden, and then also come on back for many more tours and enjoy the summer with me. Thank you.